If you're looking for a practice for some self-love, self-soothing, if you're working on reparenting yourself right now, if you're doing inner child healing, then this is the chanting meditation for you. It's a beautiful journey. Let's try it out. Here we go. So here's the posture for this mantra meditation. You bend your right knee and bring your right foot right here flat on the floor. And then you take your left foot and you put it like kind of by the arch and by the heel, so that basically the ball of your left foot is right in front of your ankle. And you make your left hand into a fist and you bring it kind of like behind your hips. This is to keep you stable, to stabilize you. And then your right hand, you're going to kind of make a little cup, just like that. And you're going to cup that hand right behind your ear here. And you're going to just rest that upper arm on your knee. And with your eyes closed, you're going to chant the mantra Maaa. M-A-A-A-A-A. Maaa. The mantra of the Divine Mother. And as you're chanting, you also want to listen. So you're voicing the mantra, but you're also hearing and receiving this loving vibration. All right, let's try that together. Receive the vibration. Yourself up with a loving vibration. exhale. And come into easy pose, cross-legged with your hands on your heart just for a moment. Left hand on top of right. And then gently switch over to the other side. Left leg bent, right foot by the arch, by the heel, ball of the right foot a little bit in front of your heel. Fist behind your hips to stabilize you. Hand, a little shell right here at your ear so you can receive the love of the Divine Mother. Open up to the vibration. And exhale, come into easy pose again, hands on the heart center. Ending with bountiful am I, blissful am I, beautiful am I, eyes closed. Beautiful am I. Let the truth of these words ring through you. Bountiful am I, blissful am I, beautiful am I, beautiful, bountiful am I, blissful am I, beautiful am I, bountiful am I, blissful am I, beautiful am I. Last one. Bountiful am I, blissful am I, beautiful am I. And inhale all of your love deep into your being. And exhale. Just feel this love, be with this love. Allow yourself to receive your love. Ah, there you are, divinely loved from within. Give yourself that love. You deserve it.